Michael Cohen was Trump's attorney. What happened to attorney-client privilege?
That's a great question. So there is what is called a crime fraud exception to the attorney-client privilege. And a good way to think of the attorney-client privilege is this. Everything that is past tense is going to be privileged. Things that are future tense may or may not be privileged. So somebody comes to my office and says, Jeremy, I just killed a person. They are in my trunk. Believe it or not, that is attorney-client privilege.
Wow.
Okay. So very bad, but it's past tense, right? People don't come to lawyers to get turned in to the police.
Right.
That defeats the whole purpose of having the right to counsel. Now, somebody comes to my office and says, Jeremy, I just killed somebody. Should I put them in my trunk? Okay. If I say that's future tense, the fact that they killed somebody, well, that would be privileged. But if I tell him, put him in your trunk, now I'm helping him cover up a crime. I'm helping him tamper with evidence. I'm helping him with a handful of things. If there was a trial where that happened, the crime fraud exception would cut through that communication. So what they're saying here is that, look, if Cohen is, you can't send your lawyer to go cheat on your taxes. You can't send your lawyer to go and bribe a witness, right? That would be an example of something that is future tense, and it would be an example of something that is not privileged. Now, how do we decide whether it's a crime or not? Well, that's what the courts are for, and that's where it gets a little bit sticky, right? But that's an